Treat yourself to this Bob Buescher custom home that's better than new. This breathtaking home is located on a very private pond lot in one of Northwest Allen County's sought-after subdivisions, the Quarry. When entering this home, you're treated to a lovely open floor plan, gourmet kitchen with very clean lines, quartz countertops, and a walk-up beverage station. The primary suite has a walk-in tiled shower, dual vanities, and a walk-in closet that connects to the laundry room. This home offers a split floor plan with the other 2 spacious bedrooms sharing a full bath. On the second floor, you have a bonus room, which can be used as an office, den, or playroom. There's also a private 4th bedroom. The second floor loft area is a sports fanatic's dream, complete with 5 TVs and a sports ticker that stays with the home. In addition to all these features, you have a covered porch and a fenced-in yard, which is a perfect place to play, relax, or entertain. This home is a dream and will be gone before you know it. Schedule your showing by calling Tanya Cole today.